Peter Cheng takes cough mixture.
Doesn't work. Yeah. Stuff's revolting.
How revolting?
Well, it's like if you could have a lobotomy with a spoon.
Yeah.
I think I would choose that. It's like
what about like a lobotomy with like a rusty spoon?
even worse because techniques and stuff.
Yeah.
But
would you still do it rather than taking the cough mixture?
yeah.
Yeah.
Because it says it's peach flavour.
But it's not.
It's not. It tastes anything but peach.
So really it should say anything but peach flavour.
Yes. That's how it is. It tastes more like chemical.
Where is it? Does it say it's peach flavour?
Yeah, it says it like peach flavour.
Lies!
Lies!
Communist lies!
It tastes more like bromhexene hydrochloride and guaifenesin. And does not contain pseudoephedrine. And don't tamper with it if the seal is broken. Yeah. Damn you, Steve. Smell it! It smells revolting.
Ugh.
Disgusting. Huh. It's still lingering. The taste is still lingering in my mouth. I may just have to eat something to get rid of it. Flour. Flour will definitely get rid of the taste. This is plain flour. I don't know how daring I am, because I know it tastes bad. Let's grab a spoon. Let's see how this goes. It's really bad.
The taste gone?
Yeah! I can just taste flour and it's disgusting. Need something else. Flour's no good.
What about Vegemite? Vegemite's got a really strong taste.
I guess so. Never been wrong there. How much Vegemite should I take? It's got a really strong taste.
Does it?
Really salty. I think it was a bad idea filming this segment now.
But the taste of the cough mixture is gone, right?
Oh yeah. Now I can just taste Vegemite. Now we need something to get rid of the taste of freaking Vegemite. Ah. Yeah. No. Yeah. How about this? Spinach and pine nuts is voting. These natural macadamia. That'll do.
Is that good?
So it tastes like a mixer of nothingness. Macadamias. My taste is like dead because of mass Vegemite and flour.
But the taste of the cough mixture is gone, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, the taste mixture, the taste of the cough mixture was gone after the flour.
Yeah.
I probably shouldn't have had the other stuff. In hindsight, I think that was a bad idea, taking the cough mixture at all. Because really, it hasn't helped. Bug of shit balls. Bug of shit balls. Fuck. Go home. Oh, you probably are home. You're sitting in your home watching this on fucking MySpace. I know it. I know it. You're watching this on MySpace. Get off the fucking computer. Get off the fucking computer. Get off the fucking computer. You fucking get off the fucking computer. Fuck. Get fucking off the fucking computer. Yeah.
That was Peter Cheng taking some cough mixture.